Sarah, this is a beat by a pretty wide margin on both the top and the bottom line. On the top line, you've got revenue coming in at $11.96 billion versus the estimate of $11.29 billion. The earnings, the estimate was 98 cents a share. Tesla earning $1.45, non-GAAP, $1.45. That's one reason why the stock is moving higher. The outlook is what's going to get a lot of attention, as well as the automotive gross margins. By the way, automotive gross margins X the environmental credits, 25.8%. So just a smidge lower than where it was in Q1, but still very strong. They say, once again, they plan to grow their capacity on an annual basis by 50%, exceeding that in 2021. That's similar language to what we've heard in the past. They also say they have sufficient liquidity. The Model Y production will begin in Berlin and in Austin this year. They are, however, moving the Tesla Semi out to 2022. It was scheduled to start this year. That's moving out to 2022. And then they say Cybertruck production in Austin subsequent to the Model Y. So that's the latest, guys. A beat on the top and the bottom line by Tesla as they come in earning a $1.45 versus the estimate of earning 98 cents. Guys, back to you.
Phil, thank you. And that 28.4% gross margin, a sign of the beat. Mike, yep. Positive reaction, up 2%. You expect a bigger reaction to Tesla beat?
You know, I think that implied in the options market was a somewhat bigger reaction, 6%. But if you add it to what the stock did today, maybe we're not too far from that. One of the bigger questions, I don't think there was a lot of suspense, but that they have pushed through some price increases that have managed to preserve and pad, their automotive margins. So that's certainly a net positive. We knew the volumes. We always know the volumes going into this. So it's a little bit about the specifics of on the cost side and on the investment side that we didn't quite know. But you have to say a net positive result. But the stock, keep in mind, we hit 900 in January. It went into the S&P last December at a price of 695 or so. So it has been doing a lot of work down to sideways for months now.
ASPs, Phil, down, I think, about 2% year on year. Some of the China-made vehicles, which come with a lower ASP, did become a bigger part of the mix.
Right, and that's why you have the lower overall ASP, down 2%. That's not a huge hit in terms of what you might expect, especially given the pricing pressure that we've been seeing Tesla going through in China, and that is likely to continue. That's why when you take a look at the automotive gross margins, Sarah mentioned it, the 28%. And then when you strip out the environmental credits, you're down, at 25.8%, still really strong. I think during the conference call, a lot of questions will be focused on where things are in terms of being ready to begin production in Berlin and in Austin. We've got a little bit of color on that with them saying that the Model Y will begin in Berlin and Austin this year. Certainly, it's going to be at low volume, but I think people want to get a little more clarity in terms of how quickly they expect to ramp up the production in those two facilities.
Do you see anything on Bitcoin yet, Phil? I guess that was sort of a question, whether they'd see an impairment again.
I have not seen anything on Bitcoin.
Paul, what is your initial take?
So, who knows? I haven't had the chance to see the report, but I think what these results show, it's continued strong results. And there's so much the talk of against Tesla for the last several years has been, when competition comes in, they're in trouble. But the fact is, this pie is growing so much. Tesla is such a well-respected brand in the space that even if, they do lose market share, which they will, the size of the pie will still be enough to, I think, for the company to see growth going forward. So, it's a name, we think looks interesting around here, and I'd just like to see more info, about the release and the conference call later on.
Yeah, Mike, is this a quarter where you expect Bitcoin to have an effect on the price action?
Not necessarily on the price action. They mentioned there was a $23 million impairment related to their Bitcoin holdings. This is kind of a squishy mark-to-market deal. They have some discretion as to how to take that. That's a small number, obviously relative to Tesla's market cap. What is interesting to me is that Tesla itself has taken to just de-emphasizing the whole Bitcoin thing after making such a splash. So it almost seems
like
investors more of a whim. I think so. I think they've kind of disengaged it from that, and probably hasn't been a net benefit point to point for Tesla's shares.
Phil, what else do you see?
I was going to mention, right before you went to Mike, we saw the $23 million impairment charge, which, as Mike points out, a very small charge relative to all things considered. And to your point, you mentioned, do investors, is Bitcoin still a big deal for Tesla investors? Mike has talked about this at length. Yeah, I think people still somewhat look at it as sort of a strange proxy to it. But in terms of how the company operates and its functioning as an automaker, it's not a big deal. It is not a huge part of what this company is all about. And certainly when you talk with those who are tracking the company closely, that's not what they're looking at.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.